In the second gear he works, but don't hit at all. And when we put first gear, well, they are blocking something. I think the button is dead, or I don't know what. But he don't work. You see, first gear don't work at all. Only blocking. And the second gear blows cold air, not hot air. And I don't know what to do with it. He's new, the new one, mate, but don't work. Here is the second. You can see it. Here it's off, and this is first. Tap. We have a problem. Yeah, I think it's a factory by he did that always. Well, now this is the second. Works, but blows cold, not hot at all. This is off. It's still good. This is the first gear now. You'll see it. It will block it. Something inside this heater blocks. And I don't used to send it. I need to pay and everything, but it's not my fault if he don't work, and it's factory reasons, I think. It's not a fault of the seller either, but it's factory. They did it. Donc